Hello friends, welcome back to MTech Judo, your go-to hub for all things tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to configure DHCP in Cisco Packet Tracer so that IP addresses are assigned automatically to devices in the network. This is very useful in real networks because it saves time compared to assigning IPs manually. So, first open your Cisco Packet Tracer and drag the following devices into the workspace. One router, one switch, and two or three PCs. 1 and 2. Now connect the devices using cables. Go to PC 1, then go to switch. Now go to PC 4. Now connect switch and router. Make sure you use copper straight through cables for connecting PCs and switches, and also switch to router Ethernet ports. Now click on router, go to CLI command line interface and type the following commands. First enter no, enable, then configure, terminal. Oh, sorry. Now enter interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Enter. Now IP address 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.255.0 and enter. Now enter command no shutdown. Now exit. Now enable DHCP server on the router. Enter IP DHCP pool LAN. Enter. Now enter network. Network 192.168.1.0 255.255.255.0 and enter. Now default router 192.168.1.1. Enter DNS server 8.8.8.8. Enter. Exit. Now enter IP DSCP excluded address 192.168.1.1 192.168.1.10. Now enter. Here IP ranges will be from 192.168.1.11 to 192.168.1.254. Default gateway is 192.168.1.1. DNS server is 8.8.8.8. Now click on each PC. Then go to desktop. Then IP configuration. Instead of typing the IP manually, select DSCP. After a few seconds, the PC will automatically receive an IP address from the router. Repeat the same for PC1 and PC2. Finally, open command prompt from PC0 and type ping 192.168.1.12 IP of another PC. Now enter. If everything is correct, you will receive reply messages. This confirms that DSCP is working and all PCs got IPs automatically. And that's how you configure DSCP in Cisco Packet Tracer to enable automatically IP allocations. This is very useful in real-world networks where hundreds of PCs need IPs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MTechZudo for more networking tutorials. See you in the next video.